I'm Bill Elsey with Showplace Lawns. Let's talk about changing the oil in the lawnmower. Best thing to do, first of all, always when you're working on any equipment, is to take the plug wire off. Don't want that thing going off on you while you got your hands in the wrong spot. Wipe your stick off and drain the oil. Also be sure that you have something nice to put your oil in. Because after you drain the oil, put it in an old container and take it to some equipment place or some place like that so they can dispose of the oil properly. We've drained the oil. Now we're going to add the oil to the machine. Most lawnmowers will take between 18 and 20 ounces of a good 30 weight oil. Put your cap back on it. Your oil is changed.